Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Thursday. Now in today's unboxing videos would be for a very popular and classic film by Tony Scott. And it's for True Romance, the romantic action movie starring Christian Slater and Patricia Arquette. This is the limited edition Arrow Video SteelBook. You have Patricia Arquette right in the front. So front, spine, and back. If you want to read details and special features. Plus this film is rated R. You need to use scissors. Okay, so here we have the J card. Oh, this is a gorgeous steelbook. So in the front, we have Patricia Arquette. And then the back, we have Christian Slater. Beautiful artwork. We have this horror advertisement for Arrow Video. We have a booklet. So there's the original Blu-ray cover art. And then here's the back. Just going to show you a few pages. Make this quick. Christian Slater again, with the cast and crew listings. This movie has a hell of a cast. Here's Patricia Arquette, David Arquette's sister. There you go. There you have Gary Oldman. Okay. And we have two discs. So disc 1 is the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. Then disc 2 is the Blu-ray disc. And then here's an artwork with Patricia Arquette and Christian Slater in the phone booth. So yeah, movie fans, that was my quick unboxing of True Romance, the limited edition Arrow Video Collector's Edition Blu-ray 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray Steelbook for True Romance. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is everything. You know, so leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Christian Slater and Patricia Arquette film of all time. Thank you.